Hi, welcome to Introduction to Research. I'm your professor, Peggy McKenzie. Our class starts Monday at 9 a.m. and I'm excited to see you then in our Collaborate class. I just wanted to show you what the Blackboard page looks like. Announcements is where we'll be starting, and so as each week happens, I will be sending announcements about what we are covering that week. All the important information is under course homepage. It's got who the instructors are. I teach you, but Hugh Barnett is also teaching this course with me. We have a required textbook, Making Sense, for the social sciences, and it is required. You must buy this. So it's $35. It's in the George Brown bookstore, but feel free to buy a used copy. They're the same, just page numbers might be different. We also have basic course information. And the outline is here for George Brown with the course outline and also my topical outline. The parent document, this is the one that tells you what you need to pass. It's 50% to pass this course. Also what happens with late assignments and the etiquette we use to interact with each other. My topical outline, it's that week by week. What are we doing each week? When are assignments due? What are the assignments? All that information is in the topical outline. I would definitely look at this before class starts on Monday. My instructor information comes next, and I have a short biography if you click on this link. Tech Essentials, your second semester students, which is great. You already know Blackboard, you know how to use Office 365 and Teams. We'll also be using that in this course. And our Microsoft Teams is twinned with Hugh Barnett's class, which is great. So we will be doing some activities with his class. Frequently asked questions for this class. If you click here, hopefully it will answer a lot of your questions. And then the description, what's happening, what our learning outcomes are, and how the course works is below. But I encourage you to take time. And when we have Blackboard discussions, which we will have some in this class, what constitutes a good post and what constitutes a good reply as a member of this course. So that's under course homepage and our basic course information. Again, just contacting me is here. Under that, I have contact and lectures. So here's our weekly learning modules. Week 1 is the only one that's open right now. If you click on it, you'll see a short introduction video by myself. Again, the course description and expectations, this orientation to Blackboard course shell, the scan chapter for chapter 1 is there. And I have a survey I'd like you to fill out. In fact, you must fill it out. And that will give me a better idea of how to interact with this course. And there is a Blackboard discussion board 1% bonus mark. Please do this. And I've already got my answer up if you want to see it. You don't have to reply to anyone else, but if you do, of course, we are respectful and humble and enthusiastic. It's just getting to know each other. I will have you on January 14th, that's the Thursday, we will be going straight into discussion. So you should already have listened to this podcast and also read this article before coming to class. And your discussion board post, I'm just letting you know that it is due that week. Typically, our assignments are due Fridays of each week at midnight, unless otherwise noted. So that's very important. Always check our assignment due dates. This is to get just into the Collaborate lecture room, and I'll be opening it up 10 minutes early each class. And I'll try and be with my dog on the first floor. So if you just want to see me petting my dog, or chatting with me before class starts, I'll be opening it up 10 minutes ahead of time. Tests and assignments. Here's our week by week assignments. So this will at a glance let you know what's due. And then as these assignments open, you'll be able to see them below. And Some will be open right away, such as your research essay. I want everyone to know what we're working towards in this course, but we will be doing it week by week. We will be building our research essay. It's not all of a sudden, so don't worry. We will do this together. Discussion boards. Not only do we have assignments on here, we also have a help board. So if you have a general question, please post it here first and I will get back to you, or maybe somebody else knows the answer. Contact me when it's more personal in nature. Ask a librarian. Bill McCaskill is our librarian for this course. He is fantastic. Maybe you already had him in college English. He also will be weighing in on our discussion board. And then here's our very first assignment with the 1%. Below that, we have Microsoft Teams, and I've already created a team. You should already have it through Microsoft, but you can also click here to see it. And then I have tools. Here's our online academic integrity, library resources, GBC email, your calendar. If you click on calendar, not only for my class can you see what's due, but you can see it for all your other courses as well. And then student resources. Lots of great information here and easy ways to click on the icons to get more help. That's it for today. I look forward to seeing you on Monday, and it's 9 a.m. in the Collaborate meeting room. Bye.